36. Okay.
The man just tried to pay his bill and the system went all the way down.
And action.
I know why you doing this. She don't like me. That's why she doing this, because she don't like me. She don't like me because her sister, old man, used to like me. Girl, please. Ain't nobody did nothing with Billy. Ain't nobody studying about Billy ass. Billy Jean. Honey, please. Ain't nobody stole nothing out of here. I'm gonna need you to move.
No.
Baby, move. What you talking about? No. You gonna have to get out of my way. You can't hold me trapped up in here.
The police on the way.
I don't care nothing about no police. They taking too long. Where they at?
They coming?
Look, ain't nobody stole nothing. Ain't no what I steal? What I steal, huh? What I steal?
Well, what you was reaching for, ma'am?
I was scratching. Little nigga, I was scratching. This
Nah.
Cause I'm grown and my coochie was itching.
What made you say that?
He asked you what was you digging for down there,
okay,
ma'am.
okay.
So say that, Box. You said something.
Oh, yeah, I said something.
Y'all need to see his face, because he's looking at me like that's what made me say, little nigga, he looking at me like.
And action.
Well, what you was reaching for down there, ma'am?
I went, damn, I was scratching. It's mine.
Hell no.
Okay, we're gonna start. All right, stand by. Take a step forward, Vaughn. Yeah. To your left. A little more. And open up. Return toward her now. Yeah, like that. And action.
I know you better move out the way. I know you better. You know what? I know why she doing this. She don't like me. She don't like me because her sister used to mess with Billy. I used to mess with him like 10 years ago, girl. And Billy still like me and shit. That's the only reason why you tripping like this. I don't know why you tripping like this. You better move out the way.
No.
Baby, you better move. Baby, move now. Baby, move. Baby, move.
The police on the way.
The police on the way. They better hurry up. What's taking them so long? Then y'all got me up here. Y'all holding me. What?
They coming.
Girl, what you think I did? What y'all think I got? What's up? Why am I going through this? What's up?
What you was reaching for down there, ma'am?
Coochie. Scratching. Man, little nigga, I was scratching. Ain't nothing down here. That's all I was doing. Got a whole panty liner down there for you. What? Yeah. I was scratching, okay?
It
Damn.
looked like you was scratching.
It didn't look like you was scratching, ma'am.
Damn. We in trouble.
Yeah. Go back, Andre. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Look, boy, ain't nothing down here. I done told you, look. What do you see? What do you see? A whole panty line and you just see ass down there, right? I done told you I don't have nothing.
What seems to be the problem?
Look, they trying to say that I stole something, that I came up in here and I put something in my cooch. I ain't put nothing in my cooch. I ain't took nothing out this store.
What?
She was seen reaching under her dress.
It seems she was inserting it inside.
What? Did you see her
Listen
taking
here,
that?
honey, let me see. I'm so sick of this thing. Oh, my God. Feel this thing. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? No. Stop.
Look, I don't think she's taking this in, all right?
Well, she can't come here no more.
Ah! Don't nobody want to come in here. Let's get away and shit, man. I got plenty of place to go. I got money. You know, ugly ass little girl. Ah! Tell your sister I got something for her, cause for you. I'ma fuck a man for you. I got you. Ain't been nothing.
So you just gonna let her go?
What do you want me to do? She didn't take anything.
It was inside of her.
It was inside of her.
Would you want me to stick my whole hand up there and search for it? It's not my job, and it's against the law.
See, y'all always beating and shooting somebody, but when shit really matters, y'all can't never do the simple shit.
It didn't look.
It didn't like you was scratching, man.
Listen, do you see anything down here? Look down here. Do you see? Listen, panty liner, ass, coochie, ain't nothing her. Ain't nothing her. Y'all gonna let me go? You gonna let me go? Now what? Where that? Where police?
What seems to be the problem in here?
Look, they tried to say that I stole something up in here. I ain't steal nothing up in here. They gonna try to say I put it in my coochie. I ain't put nothing in my coochie. I didn't put nothing in my coochie.
What's going on?
She was seen reaching under her dress.
Did you see her take anything?
Line.
It seemed she was inserting it inside.
It seemed she was inserting it inside.
For real. For real, listen here. Listen her. Hey, I told him in my do you feel something? Do you feel something? Do you feel something? I done told.
Look, I don't think she has anything, all right?
That's right. Move, little girl. Boom.
Well, she can't come here no more.
Don't nobody want to come here no more. Don't nobody want to come up in this ghetto shit no more. And you tell your sister, ugly ass. Tell your sister. I got something for
Do that at the door like you did last time, because y'all in the top blocking each other.
I'm sure she switched hands.
I switch hands. I'm sorry.